Yueqing Jixiang Connector Co Limited is a professional manufacturer of cable glands and other cable accessories. Our major products including brass cable glands, nylon cable glands, explosion-proof cable glands, metal hose connectors, stainless steel cable glands. Goods have TUV, CE certificates. Our products can be applied for new energy power, traffic, vessel, oil, lighting, mechanical automation, etc. We are known for our excellent quality, competitive prices, first-class workmanship, safe packaging, and timely delivery. Welcome to provide your special requirements. We can sign an exclusive agreement with you. We will do our best to service you. Our company has nearly 5,000 square meters, have professional production line and technology research and development team, has strict quality control from raw materials, semi-finished products, products in the process of production. Every link have professional QC inspection. If found unqualified product, will immediately take measures to rework or directly from the production. Strictly control the quality of our products. Will not let our customers receive non-conforming product. We sincerely hope to satisfy you with quality products and professional service. Companies adhering to the customer first, forge ahead business philosophy, adhering to the customer first principle, to provide customers with quality service experience. Jixiang Connector warmly welcomes you to visit our company and hope to establish long-term business relationship with your company as soon as possible. Willing to work with you to create brilliant future.